Cause I was just asleep, guys. So, but today, what I'm gonna be doing is a bologna sandwich with cheese and Cheez-Its. Alright, so here it is. The whole sandwich is big. You see that? But I bit, oops, I bit it already. Yeah. She probably trying to prank me.
Don't shoot me. I'm scared. I went to go get my panties and I heard a bang. I'm not pranking. I'm scared. And I ran out the room.
You pranking me.
No, oh yeah, I heard a bang. I'm not trying to prank.
That's not nothing. That's
I
not.
heard something.
I gotta eat.
How's your sandwich, sister?
It's good.
Stop playing.
I'm not playing.
You're trying to play me out. You're trying to play me out.
Mm.
Nigga. I gotta pray. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. What time is it?
7-Eleven.
Ashhadu anna Muhammad.
7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح.
You wanna try?
قد قامت الصلاة.
It's good.
الصلاة.
Don't bite
You put what's the name at the top too?
Don't bite where I bit at. I said don't bite where I bit at. Play too much. This is the best thing I ever tasted. And I made this sandwich. Mmm. want some? Mm, mm, mm. And the bread, we got the bread. This bread costs $1.99. And I don't know how much the cheese cost or the mayonnaise. Trying to reach my cheek. So guys, I'm not gonna finish yet. I had too much because that was a big sandwich. So peace out, guys. Peace out. Peace. Gang. Gang. Peace. And once again, I have a choker and I'm wearing it to school tomorrow. So if it's two boys in my class that always want to go on my YouTube channel. His name is Ina and Tariq. So, I don't know the YouTube name, so peace out.